gals, I apologize to my subscribers that it has taken me this long to film and publish this video. But you should know that I actually filmed and tried to publish this a few days ago using this product. It is the Dove Dry Shampoo. It did not work. Take a look. This is by Dove. Give it a shake. Here is the before. And now let's apply. So now I'm back with the Ellen Villa Alive Wig. This is from their 2019 Changes collection. And this wig in the color Sandy Blonde Rooted has quite a bit of shine. If you watched my wig review of Alive, then you know I was a little disappointed with the degree of shine. So today we're going to try again, this time using the Tresemme Between Washes Dry Shampoo. Okay, here we go. Shake it up and let's spray. I would say that this is a success. The shine has been dulled quite a bit. It also has a very pleasant fragrance. I really like the fragrance. So let me show you a before and after. Here is the color Sandy Blonde Rooted in Natural Light. Here is the after when Alive has been treated with the Tresemme Between Washes Dry Shampoo. It has definitely helped. If you're interested in purchasing the Tresemme Between Washes Dry Shampoo, you can find this at most pharmacies. I bought this at CVS. It was $6.59. If you have questions about dulling the shine on your synthetic wigs, please leave them in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to answer. Now, if you'd like to see my wig review of the Ellen Villa Alive wig, please check the video description box below. I've left a link there to the wig review so that you can watch it. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.